back to my channel. If you don't know me, I'm Rebecca and welcome to my channel, Rebecca the Chef. Do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Okay, so today we are going to make strawberry banana ice cream. First we have bananas, strawberries, oats, milk, whipped cream, honey, and vanilla. We're gonna have my friend the spatula. Okay, now we have our ice cream molding. Oh my god. Bibbidi bobbidi boo! Ah, there you go. So I picked my molding to be a unicorn. And we have our lucky friend, Blender. But I call her Blendy. So now we're gonna take our lid off our blender and we're going to put our strawberries inside. Now we're gonna put our oats inside. Now we're gonna put our bananas inside. Ooh, I love bananas. And now we're gonna put our milk inside. Our milk inside. Okay, now we're gonna put our honey. This is where my magic wand comes in. Make it go faster. Faster. Cut. And now we put our vanilla. Okay, now we're going to blend. We're gonna press on and blend. Oh. Okay, so after 2 minutes blending, we're gonna blend it again. If you have the same blender, we're gonna open this part and gently put in our whipping cream, but we're not gonna put like all of it in. We're gonna put like a little bit, like. Okay, now that our mixture is ready, we're gonna put it in this mold. Go ahead and ask your guardian or your parents to put your mixture inside like a cup, so it's easier for you to carry. Now we're gonna pour in our mold. Gonna pour it. Now we're gonna put it in our other side of the mold. Okay, now this is going to go in our freezer overnight, but we're gonna stay off topic, and before the video I made a popsicle already, same ingredients. I'm going to try it. Healthy and yummy. Enjoy your ice cream. Bye for now.